Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can earn some cash or get some money in your wallet, and this is very simple. No matter where you are, whether you are in Ghana or outside Ghana, we can all benefit from this kind of website I'm talking about here. Again, for Ghanaians, you can access your Momo or your Vodafone for the withdrawal method, and outside Ghana too, you can use any simple method too over there. The app will teach you or show you the kind of payment method you can use over there. So many websites have been showing us some scams, some spam and other stuff. So today this website is very legit, and I have been withdrawing some cash. But in my next video, I'll be showing you how I withdraw money from this kind of website. So without wasting much time, let's all take our phone and then open any browser on our phone, whether Chrome, Google or Safari. So I prefer to use my Safari here. Okay, so you open your Safari, type in Nationton Republic, as I've already typed in here. So Nationton Republic, right? Just click on the first link there. Okay, so this is Nationton Republic. So if you already have an account here, please, you can use the login here. Okay, but if you are trying to register, as I'm also trying to register, please use the registration link. Okay, so I'm in Ghana. So if you're not in Ghana or you are outside Ghana, please, you can use this one so that you can get access to the website. So I'm in Ghana, I'll use the first one. So we have a packages here. We have 10 cities for 2 months, we have 50 cities for a whole year, and also have 100 cities for what, a whole year. We have the personal account and the business account, but I prefer to use the first one. Okay, so use the link to register. You press on the register. So let's fill this form. Okay, let's fill this form. So first name, type in your first name as I'm doing, your nickname. So I use Fastech, and also a valid phone number, a valid email. Make sure please your email is valid so that you can get verified over there. So username of who invited you. Of course, please check my bio or check my description. Use my link to access this site. So when you use my link to access this site, you are not going to receive this. The reason is, if you try to go to the website and just type in Nationton Republic, when you try to enter username of who invited you and the person have not registered here, that means you can't access the site. So go to my bio, use my link to access here, then you are good to go. This question, you will skip it. Okay, so for Ghanaians, let's do this. And other countries, they'll give you an option to follow. Okay, so here you can, they want us to do a simple thing here so that we can become a member of Nationton Republic. So MTN users, please, you can use this number, send things to this number, then copy the transaction link or the transaction number. So whenever you send, for the Vodafone users, the same thing, and the Airtel to go users, the same thing. As you send the money, your transaction link, copy it. Please copy it. Please copy it. Very important. Copy it and paste it here. Oh, and paste it here. So mine is okay. So here is mine, and then enter your password, a very strong password. So you can see I have entered my password. I have entered my transaction ID. Please do well to copy the transaction ID to fill this portion, and then accept. I understand and accept the terms and what the conditions. Okay, so you create an account here. Okay, so when you press on create an account, it's going to take you to here. It's going to take you here. Okay, so here we go, right? Okay, so this is Nationton Republic site. This is the home page of it. Okay, good. So this website help us. You can sell your products here. Here people are selling some products here, so you can see people are selling the products here. Some is 10 cities, and here too, I think he's trying to make a price for it. So people are selling some stuffs here. So this is Nationton Republic. Now, how do we get money from Nationton Republic? Okay, so Nationton Republic, you can sell some products here, and also you can buy some products here. For that one, you can earn some money. Also, you can also create some pages here too as well. so that you can earn some money. But here we are going to use a very simple thing here. Just copy your link. You can see on top here referral links. So just copy your link here. Just copy your link here and then copy. So you can see I've copied my link here. Then after that, share this link to your friend. Okay, share this link to your friend or family. As soon as they also enter this website with the link over here, you are going to get 9 cedis each. We are going to get 9 cedis, that's 90%. You are going to get 90%, that's 9 cedis from this website. So assuming 10 people just click on your this link here, then you are earning about a whole lot of money over here, right? Good. So you can do that. So just use the link there to get money. So that is it. After that, trust me, I will show you a proof of how I withdraw money from this kind of website, and that is going to teach you the real websites I will be teaching you here. So follow me for more videos like this. It's fast tech. Don't forget to subscribe, give me your comments, and also like the page or the video as well, and also press on the notification bell to get notified of every video I'll be posting here. So it's fast tech.